My name is Jonathan Gudjonsson, and I run a company up in Iceland which has been servicing governors since 1980. I've been doing business now with Bartech since 2011, and the reason for I came here, I was looking for a special type of PGA, Woodward PGA governor that I needed a service exchange for. And actually, I went hunting because nobody could supply it except Bartech said they would supply it, so I had to go with them. And since then, we have been, I've been getting service from them in all aspects, both helps in technical matters and things like that. So I'm doing more and more business with them, and I'm quite happy with that.